this is coming apart here.
Right.
And see how.
Right, and it was out all the way.
It was out further than that. So
right.
I'm gonna take this top off, unscrew it, unscrew the bottom. It's got a little staples that hold things together. Get off that. Pull out the refrigerator a little bit and see where it's coming apart at.
Right. Okay, sounds good. It's always something.
Yeah, always.
Hey, babe.
Hey.
So is it all fixed?
It's all fixed.
Wow. Tell us what you did.
Well, what I did is I took the refrigerator out and got some Gorilla Glue adhesive.
Okay.
Which is it's a heavy duty adhesive.
Right.
So what I did is I took the refrigerator out and got inside there and caulked all the way around here. So this piece wouldn't come off anymore.
So show us.
There's a little piece right here, and it was only on with staples. I mean, okay.
Oh my God.
So
sounds true to form for the way RVs are built.
Yeah. So what I did is I popped it out a little bit, put adhesive back behind there, and then I put it back, banged it back in there, put the screws back, and now it's good to go. And it's been about a week. Okay. And it's holding nice.
So, babe, was this a difficult job?
No, it's not. It's not difficult.
That's awesome.
But if I didn't do it, the refrigerator would have been on the ground.
Right. Because it worked its way out quite a ways from its original location. Right. So tell everybody, what is actually holding this refrigerator in?
Well, I know this looks like wood to you guys, but it's not. This is particle board with a wrap on it that looks like wood. It's not real wood.
Right. So it's pretty flimsy. Right.
It's particle board. So, and these campers are most of it are made of particle board. And so what I did is banged out the staples a little bit, put adhesive in there, pushed it back in, and let it sit for a couple days, and now it's good to go.
That's awesome. So pretty easy fix, but kind of annoying since the camper's only 2 years old. It seems like your refrigerator shouldn't just wiggle out of place and dislocate itself.
it shouldn't, but this is the our RV life.
Yeah, it is. It
always
truly
fixing
is.
Something.
Well, I'm so glad you fixed it. It looks awesome. Thanks, babe.
Absolutely.
Now that that job is done, it's time for Jeff and the boys to hit the water for a day of fishing.
What do they do? We be on the ocean, cruising.
Well, look at this guy. I'll leave that right there. I mean, how lucky can these guys be? First a sea turtle and now a dolphin? You go, guys.
Oh, it's just a jack.
Florida's Treasure Coast is truly magical, and if you ever get a chance to visit, it is a must-see. Stay tuned next week because Jeff and I are coming to you live. Our website is going live, and it is time for our big giveaway. So we'll be announcing on our social media. Don't miss it.